What is up, guys? Let's go to chart for Bitcoin real quick. It is trying to push up. Let me just get this dialed in for you guys. You can see right here it's trying to come back up and hit this resistance right here. Test it out at this. What is this? 411, 400. Hopefully it can get back in this wedge right here. That would be lovely. But you see what happened. It boom, 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 boom. Let's go over to gold, guys. I dominated on gold today, and here, boom, 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 boom. And look, you see this support line right here? It just went directly through it. And look, this is the 200 moving average. Just smashed through it. Look at it. Just smashed directly through these supports. So everything basically that was battling the dollar, which is the major ones, is gold and Bitcoin, got dominated today, and we see that in the forex market. That's why we're seeing this in Bitcoin. But hopefully, you see we hit this support right here, and we push back up. That was a pretty good trade. Whoever got into that right there. But we'll see what happened. But the big news is right here, guys. This is the big news right here. So let's go outside and talk about this. So, last night the wind in Chicago was crazy, guys. Look at my beautiful, beautiful tomatoes. I had to take this down. This is where I get my shade, and I'll say, guys, and both of my plants right here went down. Actually, you can see this. You see what that is right there, guys? That is an orange. Yeah, this thing's been growing for 3 years. Can't believe it. So let's get over to the news. MicroStrategy. I know they're on the NASDAQ. They're a software company. That is all I know of them. I heard of them. But they bought $250 million worth of Bitcoin. They told the people who are holding their shares that they were going to buy gold. They was going to do some buybacks. They was going to spend $500 million. And they spent $250 million on Bitcoin. And I think the rest they bought back on stocks. Crazy. Now let's read this quote from the CEO. This investment reflects our beliefs that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, is a dependable store of value and an attractive investment asset with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash. You guys see what's happening. Now, of course, a software company is going to buy Bitcoin. You're not going to see a retail or store company do this, or a brick and mortar company do this, because they have no idea about the technology of Bitcoin. But you do see these banks come in, and they're most definitely looking to add in some Bitcoin to their portfolios. And you have this guy with all this money. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of Bitcoin. I think that was around 21,000 Bitcoin just sitting on it. Imagine if you bought 21,000 Bitcoin at $100 and what you have now, and then they get in the game. But the sad thing is the price went down today because cash is still ruling the game of trading. Cash has been pushed down all last week. So to my understanding, it's going to make some of this value back. When I'm talking about cash, I'm talking about the US dollar. So that's why we're seeing that happen. But big companies like this making these moves, it's only telling the government, you better watch out. It's only telling the Federal Reserve, if you continue to print, we're going to have to find something new. Now, I want to see what Peter Swift had to say today with his gold is under $2,000. Do you think gold will stay under $2,000 and Bitcoin will rise, or gold will go higher and Bitcoin will go higher or dump too? It's going to be tough. Gold only fell $100, but Bitcoin fell like $300. So, Bitcoin is a little more volatile. Gold is volatile too, but they're pretty much comparable to an asset class that is trying to fight the fiats. So what does this mean for me and you and the holder? All we have to do is hold there's going to be a low amount of Bitcoin out there. They probably bought that off of OTC because we didn't see the price on Coinbase or anything. But with less Bitcoin out there, the price is going to just fly up very quickly. Okay, guys? And it's good to see software companies buying Bitcoin instead of huge hedge funds, because they can manipulate the price. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my website, BritVR Crypto. And all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night. And enjoy the crypto life. Peace.